Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So we are at the place to be. We are at Dollar General. It is Saturday, and you know what we're about to do. We're going to get into some 5 off of 25 deals. So I came into the store not really knowing what type of deal I was going to do, what I was going to pick up. I just wanted to see what my store had available because the clearance event started yesterday. I wanted to see if there were any clearance items that I could find that were left over because the couponers are really heavy in my area and I was not able to make it to the store all week. And I have found a couple items that I want to show you guys, and that's what we're going to start with. So the first thing is a few of the Campbell's chunky canned soups are on clearance on the clearance event. So if you're not familiar with the clearance event, that is when Dollar General takes an extra 50% off of their everyday clearance prices to give us an extra low price, and you can use coupons. We're going to start off with an all digital deal. So the first thing I'm grabbing is 2 cans of this creamy chicken and dumplings soup because these are on clearance. And we have $1 off of 2 digital coupon, so these are going to be super cheap after that coupon. So the first deal I am going to do is a gain deal. This deal is going to be all digital coupons, and it's going to be very similar to one of the deals that we did last week. You can still do these gain deals that are awesome. This is a great time to stock up on the bigger gains instead of the smaller ones that we normally get. So I'm going to get one of these big 150 ounce gains. They're $13.50. I'm going to be using the $3 digital, and then I'm going to grab one of these babies for $6.95 right here. These are the 75 ounce gains. We're going to be using the $2 digital, and that's going to be our complete gain deal. $13.50 plus $6.95. We have over $20 in gain products. So now we can use our 5 off of 20 gain coupon in combination with our 5 off of 25 when we add a few more items to get us $25. Okay, you guys, so this is everything that I'm grabbing in my first deal today. And once again, this deal is going to be all digital. So I have my 2 gain items, $13.50, $6.95. We're going to be using that 5 off of 20 gain and our 5 off of 25 store coupon, plus the $3 digital on this and a $2 digital on that. So that is going to be a great deal in itself. But then we have our clearance items added in. So the first clearance item that I have is the Nivea Soft 2.6 ounce cream. So these are $1.23 on clearance, and we have a $2 digital coupon making that free, plus 76 cents in overage. I also grabbed one of the Crest Toothpaste. So these are the baking soda and peroxide with whitening. They are $2. We're going to use our $2 digital coupon to make that absolutely free. And then I grabbed one of these Viva pop-ups. So my store has these on clearance. I do not have a digital or a paper coupon for it, but it's on clearance for $1.35, I believe. So I do not need that as a part of this transaction. I could run this transaction without that, and it would be $1.35 cheaper. But I just like that product, so I'm going to keep it into my transaction. And then I have 2 of the Campbell's chunky soup. We already reviewed that deal, but those are going to be pretty cheap for us after our $1 off of 2 digital coupon. So our total before any coupons are applied should be $26.77. So that puts us over the $25 amount. If I take off the Viva, I will still be over the $25 amount. And after all of our digital coupons are applied, I'm thinking this deal should be under $7. So pretty cheap. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how everything works. All right, you guys, that worked out perfectly. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there's the Crest $2 digital. There's the Viva $135, no digital on that. There's the Nivea $124 with the $2 digital. We got some overage. There is the Campbell's. They're 87 cents, and we have the $1 off of 2 digital. There is our 2 gain items, $13.50 and $6.95. We use our digital coupons, and our 5 off of 20 gain subtotal came up to to $6.78. We had a total savings of those 7 items of $20. So $6.78. Without the Viva, it would have been like $5.50. So not a bad deal at all for all of those items, all digital. I am going to go on to store number 2 and see what I can find there. Let's go. All right, so now we're at store number 2. We are going to grab some Suavitel. It is $3. We're going to use our $1.50 off coupon, making it just $1.50. Next up, we're going to grab one of these Purex packs. You can also do the Purex crystals. These are $2.75. We have a $1.75 off digital coupon, making them just $1. Now we're going to do this instant savings deal on the Scott, where you save $3 when you spend $15. So we are going to pick up 3 of the $5 packs of Scott toilet paper. We are going to be using $1 internet printable coupons on these. 3 of them should cost us $12. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I'm getting at store number 2. I had to walk the store to see what they had as far as clearance, and this store has been wiped out. I was able to find a couple clearance items that had not been picked out yet. They had a ton of the Nivea creams left, so we will get a little overage there. And then I was able to find some Dove shampoo and conditioner. The Oxygen Moisture is on clearance for $1.80, and there's a $1 digital coupon for these. I was able to find somebody's hiding spot for these, so that was a nice find. So that'll be a nice add-in for today's deal. Then Floss was on clearance for 45 cents. I do not have a coupon for that, but 45 cents is a decent deal. And then the Crest, of course, is going to be free after the $2 digital coupon. The Scott toilet paper is $5 each, and we are doing the instant savings promo. When you spend $15, you're going to save $3 instantly. These are the only items that I'm going to be using paper coupons for. I do have 3 $1 off paper coupons for these. So my total for all of these items should come up to $25.03 after the $3 in instant savings for the Scott. After all of my other coupons come off, I'm thinking this deal should be pretty cheap, under $9. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how everything works. Guys, change of plan. Do y'all see what I see? Oh my goodness, we just stumbled upon some clearance. All right, you guys, so I thought my store was cleaned out of all the overage, but it was not. I am so happy that as I was walking up to the front, I walked the long way so I could look at end caps. And on those end caps, y'all, I found these razors that are such nice overage. So the pivot ball razors are $2.40. We have $3 digital coupons and we have $3 paper coupons. I'm going to use a combination of both. We're going to make 60 cents for each one of those razors. And then the Skintimate Vanilla that I have here is on clearance for $3. I'm going to use the $3 digital coupon on that, making it absolutely free. So I'm thinking I should end up paying about $5 for everything. I dropped the laundry items that I had, and I actually picked up 2 of these big extra fun pencils as well. They're on sale this week for $1, and I'm going to use this $1.50 off of 2 paper coupon on that, making those super cheap. What is that? So they're 50 cents for 2. So let's go up to the front now and check out and see how this deal works out. All right, you guys, so my transaction had a couple glitches with it because the Schick razors rang out for a little bit higher than I expected, so I didn't get quite as much overage as I intended to. And the vanilla Schick razors, those did not ring up on clearance. Those rang out regular price at the store I was at. The app was ringing them for $3, but I think that is because my app is attached to a different store. So at this store, they actually rang out for $2.70. We used the $3 digital and the $3 paper coupon as well. So they were still free plus 30 cents in overage. There's the big extra fun pencils for $1 with a $1.50 coupon. And then there is the other Schick razor, the other big extra fun. The Dove coupon, that $1 off did come off. Those were $1.80, and then we got the $1 off digital coupon on those. And then the Reach was 45 cents. The Nivea was $1.24 with the $2 digital. And then there's all 3 of our Scott products. The double discount is the 3 off of 15 savings, and then we used the $1 manufacturer coupons. Subtotal came out to $6.19 for all 12 items. We paid 50 cents an item, y'all. 50 cents an item when you're talking about toilet paper included. So we had a total savings of $23.50 on this deal. $6.19, we got 3 packs of toilet paper, y'all. I am super excited about that. So I hope these deals were helpful for you all. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if they were. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.